Agriculture is literally everything, and it's how we meet those basic human needs, and it's a huge realm of different things. I'm Allie Duran, one of the ag teachers here at the Van Buren School District. We offer a wide variety of classes, the first one being Introduction to Ag or Survey of Ag, where you literally are introduced to everything in the world of ag. And that is the class that kind of sets the foundation for our pathways. So the two pathways that we offer are plant science and natural resources. CASE plant science as well as advanced plant science. For our natural resources pathway, we offer CASE natural resources as well as forestry and wildlife. They go over a lot of background information with conservation and management of natural resources as well as our wildlife. It's super fun to learn about not only our world and how it operates, but also ways to sustain agriculture as well as keeping our natural resources readily available. It does not matter which pathway you choose in ag, like you are going to find, because I have students that plant science, like they hear science and it's really scary for them. They're like, oh my gosh, I don't like science. I don't like anything to do with that. So we just do it from a more hands-on side. So it's not like you're doing all of these experiments. No, like you are going to get in the greenhouse, you're going to be learning all these different plants. And then on the opposite side with natural resources, I have students that are like, I hate plants. I don't want to do anything, but I love all the different critters. And so we also go over forestry. So they get to see like plants, but in a different light. So it's kind of just a new perspective on everything, as well as those CASE plant science and natural resources classes. They're a second year level, but they can cover a third year science course. So a lot of students, rather than taking a science, they take ours, and it really helps them out. That way they are still able to be involved in our program, but still get their graduation requirements. Speaking for both Mrs. DeMint and I, we enjoy the most about our program is welcoming those students in that don't necessarily have a spot elsewhere. In ag, we take them all, like it's a home for everyone. So we want it to be a welcoming environment where they come here, they want to learn because they feel welcomed, maybe just helping them find who they are, who they want to be, and just being a shoulder to lean on and support them along the way.